You want to catch more crappie but don't know where to start? Let's go through the essentials of crappie fishing in just 3 minutes. First up, let's talk about gear. For crappie fishing, you don't need heavy-duty equipment. A light to medium rod with sensitive tip is perfect. When it comes to bait, crappie love jigs and live minnows. Jigs come in a variety of colors, so experiment to see which works best. Now, where do you fish? Crappie like to hang out around structure, fallen trees, submerged bushes, and around docks. They're often found in shallow waters during the spring. Look for areas with clear water, as crappie tend to be more active in these conditions. When it comes to technique, slow trolling and vertical jigging are two of the most effective methods for catching crappie. When jigging, keep your movements subtle. Crappie are known for their slow bites, so patience is the key. Finally, here are a few tips. Fish during the right season. Spring and fall are the best bet for crappie. 2. Use your fish finder to help locate schools of crappie. And 3. Adjust your depth based on water temperature. And always check the local regulations and keep sustainability in mind. With these 2 tips in hand, you're ready to head out and catch more crappie.
Lord of mercy.
Be sure to like and comment and subscribe for more fishing tips. Tight lines, everyone.
That's a slab and a half there. I don't want. That's a man crappie. Look at the size of that sucker.